Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like in this little blizzard of hours. Freaking incredible. I don't know if you can see it, but it's snowing pretty bad. Oh, look! There's my car! Son of a... That's car number 2 on that damn snow. You know who be out there shoveling shit. You guessed it. Oh man, look at that. Really, really bad.